Good morning, everyone. Before we start our new topic, let us all read first the words to learn. Here are your words to learn. Number 1, time. Number 2, calendar. Number 3, clock. Our new topic is all about time. Clock is used to measure time or to tell time. There are two types of clock. We have analog clock. Analog clock has 12 numbers and 2 or 3 hands. And the second type of clock is called digital clock. Let's try to tell time. First is telling time in oclock. The photo is an analog clock, and as you can see, there are 12 numbers, starting from number 1 up to number 12. And the clock has 2 hands, or in other clock, it has 3 hands. We have the minute hand, the hour hand, and the second hand. But for this clock, we will only use 2 hands. We call the long hand the minute hand, and we call the short hand the hour hand. When the minute hand is pointing to number 12, it is oclock. Let's see the time. The hour hand and the minute hand is both pointing at number 12. Therefore, it is 12 o'clock. Now, look at the digital clock. Number 12 is the hour, and 00 is the number of minute. So, in both the analog and the digital clock is 12 o'clock. Let's have another example. What time is it? When the minute hand is pointing at number 12 and the hour hand is pointing at number 1. So the time is? Okay, very good. The time is 1 o'clock. Another example. For this one, the minute hand is pointing at number 12 and the hour hand is pointing at number 2. Therefore, the time is 2 o'clock. Now, let's go on telling the time half past. When we say half past, the long hand is pointing at number 6 because 6 is the half of 12. We all know that a full rotation of a clock is 60 minutes. So that means that half of rotation is 30 minutes. When we divide 60 minutes into half, it is equal to 30. Look at the given example. The minute hand is pointing at number 6 and the hour hand is in between 3 and 4. It has passed 3, but it didn't reach 4 yet. So the time is 3:30, or we can also say that it's half past 3. Another example. The minute hand is pointing at number 6 and the hour hand is in between 4 and 5. It passed number 4 but it didn't reach number 5 yet. Therefore, the time is 4:30 or half past 4. Now let's move on telling time past and 2. Example, what time is it? So look at the video. Okay, the minute hand is pointing at 8 minutes mark. The hour hand just pointing 11. So the time is 11:08, or we can say that 8 past 11. Example number 2. Look at the video. The minute hand is pointing at 23 minutes mark. And the hour hand is pointing past 9 Therefore, the time is 9:23, or we can also say that it is 23 past 9. Now let's go on telling too. Look at the video. What time is it? So the minute hand is pointing at 36 minutes mark. So that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 36. So that is on 36 minutes mark. So how many minutes before it's 9 o'clock? Now let's count. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The time is 8:36, and we can also say that 24 minutes to 9 o'clock, meaning we have 24 minutes left before it is 9 o'clock. Another example. What time is it? The minute hand is pointing at number 8, which means it is on 40-minute mark. And the hour hand is going to number 3. The time is 2:40. So how many minutes left before it's 3 o'clock? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 minutes left before it's 3 o'clock, or that is 20 to 3, or 20 minutes to 3. Please watch the next video.